John has a document to deliver, and he's so scared to use any logistics company, because they have disappointed him many times. He searched online and found no reliable logistics company. He explains this to his friend, Frank, and Frank introduces AB Fash Logistics Company, how they helped him to deliver his own document to the head office on time, with no delay. Frank continued, AB Fash Logistics services include errand services, office delivery, food deliveries, motor park pickups, pickup and drop-offs, door-to-door delivery, mails, parcels or document delivery. Contact them on 081668144417 via call or 090185809151 via WhatsApp. Your package safety is their concern.